If you're successful in everything except getting the woman you actually want, then I have something for you. You're hustling, you're working on yourself, and you're trying to be that high-value successful man, but you still feel that something is missing. Because your confidence is still shaky. You still feel clueless when it comes to talking to a real woman. And you still haven't reached your true potential as a man. Because I have spent the last 15 years of my life finding the solution to this exact problem. And now today, I'm finally ready to share it with you. Something big is coming. Something that will fundamentally change the way you see yourself and the world around you. My entire life's work distilled into a single groundbreaking event. On 1st of November, I'm launching Mentorship 3.0. And for the launch, for the first time ever, we're doing a live event in New Delhi where I will be revealing to you the ultimate masculine transformation system, which will help you build your confidence, reach your dating goals, and unlock your true masculine potential as a man. You're not going to want to miss this because the tickets for the event are extremely limited. And if you can't attend the event in person in New Delhi, we've got tickets for online streaming as well, so that you can watch it from anywhere in the world. But here's the thing, this is not for everyone. This is only for the men who are serious about winning. Tickets for the event are going to be going live on the Ironman Lifestyle app. You will have one chance to secure your spot, and you need to be ready. Download the Ironman Lifestyle app right now, because when you do, you also get access to The Circle, which is a free community for men who are working towards becoming the best version of themselves. And for this entire month in The Circle, I'll be dropping some exclusive behind-the-scenes content, some special giveaways, Mentorship 3.0 videos, and an exclusive 7-day challenge to help you take the first steps for your dating journey and build your confidence. Click the link here or in the description below and download the Ironman Lifestyle app, because once those tickets drop, you better be there.